Welcome to this grammar explainer. Let's explore the magical sentence world, where Arabic words visit 4 amazing kingdoms. But how do words actually cross borders? Well, they need the exact right magical outfits to enter. We call these passports Arab. To get inside a land, your word must wear the right grammatical sign. Let's dive in. Normal words wear tiny little hats, while special characters rock giant letter capes. Meet our heroes. We've got the Lone Explorer, the Twins, and the Super Elite Asma Squad.
First stop, the Highland of Raf. The Lone Explorer enters wearing his trusty default Damma hat.
What about the Asma Squad? They rock a glowing wow cape, making words like ahu.
And the Twins? They march into Raf holding their magical Alif shield, just like the word Muslimani. Next up is the fast-paced action land of Nasb. The default badge here is the swift Fatha. In this new action-packed zone, our Lone Explorer swaps his Damma hat for that swift Fatha.
The squad adapts too. They trade their wall capes for soaring Alif capes, just like Aka.
And our Twins trade their Alif shield for a super cool Yal boomerang, becoming the word Muslimani. Down below is the hidden land of Ghayr. Remember guys, only noun characters can enter this secret place. Here, the default outfit is the Khazra. So our Lone Explorer equips his Khazra boots to walk safely. Meanwhile, both the Twins and the squad use their awesome gadgets to safely navigate Ghayr. But watch out for the Ghayr Munsarif rebels. These total rule breakers refuse to wear standard Custer boots. Instead, rebel words like Ibrahim stubbornly wear a Fatha badge even deep inside the land of Ghayr. Finally, we hit the quiet land of Jazm. Nouns are strictly banned. Action words rest here, wearing sukoon. Normal verbs get a sukoon, but special verbs, they do magic, completely dropping their nun ending to enter. This master map sums up our whole explainer adventure. By learning these outfits, you can guide any word. Ready for more magical journeys? Be sure to subscribe to the Tafheem-E-Nahw channel today for more grammar adventures. Master these magical signs, and you're set. So, which kingdom will your Arabic words travel to next?